Down here at Toyota of Gladstone, what I have for you today is a 2014 certified pre-owned Toyota Land Cruiser. These only come one way, fully loaded. You have the parking sonar, the dynamic radar cruise control, four-wheel drive, all-wheel drive capabilities on this vehicle. You also have the running boards, full leather interior, heated steering wheel, navigation, CD player, DVD player, like I said, fully loaded, power seats, heated as well as ventilated. Seating for 8 in this vehicle. You do have a third row seat right around here on the back. The seats do fold up and to the side, giving you optimal cargo space. So you can fold them down and up to the side, giving you plenty of cargo space that you can expect from the Land Cruiser. Here they do have the nitrogen in the tires. This is going to give you about 10,000 miles more life out of your tires, keeping them properly inflated and giving you better wear and tear on your tires. Seating in the back, you do have the DVD system that's located right up here. Wireless headphones, separate temperature controls, and heated seats for the back passengers. This is an ultra low miles vehicle, only one owner. As we said, power everything. Come on in today and see how easy it is to make this vehicle yours.